I just want to go ahead and show you that I am currently up over $300 this morning on Cron. So what happened with Cron was they reported some pretty terrible earnings, but let's go ahead and let's analyze it from a bigger perspective. So what I noticed here on the monthly time frame was the severe disequilibrium in price, and whenever I see some severe disequilibrium in price, I know that a sell is going to come. Now, one rule that I have is I never buy high, I never sell low. So, while a lot of other people were buying high, I was already in the selling mode, selling phase. So, with that being said, based off the monthly chart, I know that price is going to come down to about $15.36. That's my target area. On the weekly chart, what looks really nice is all this confusion right here. And you can start seeing the reversal happen right here, and then the sell-off begin to happen. Now, one thing I really like with these couple candles right here that I'm going to go ahead and point out for you guys is this bearish hammer right here. This doji followed by this crazy selling candlestick followed by this bearish hammer. Now, this is just the weekly chart. If we can close way lower than here, then 1511 is definitely possible. On the daily chart, what's really nice is price is broken into the cloud. So we should be expecting price to come down to the cloud right here, then come somewhere in this level, try to break through the cloud, and then go back up. Why? Because of what the lagging span is doing right there. Now, if we go ahead and look at the 4-hour, here's some interesting things we're looking at too. Price has what? Broken out of the cloud right here. So price broke out, had some confirmation it was going to stay out, continued the impulse down. So we had the impulse, the correction, the next impulse. How else do I know it's going to go lower? Voila, right there. The lagging span is broken out of the cloud too, validating the ICHIMOKU breakout. So let's go ahead and look at this. $270 in profit right now. Only bought 5 contracts. Cost me $950.